Hello everyone and welcome to Monaseastetnkitchen. Winters are here and there's no better way to spend cold evenings than reading your favorite novel and sipping a cup of hot chocolate. A cup of hot chocolate not only warms your heart and your soul, but in moderation is also good for reducing cholesterol, blood sugar, blood pressure, and is overall good for your heart. So, to make the perfect cup of hot chocolate, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. 400 ml of full cream milk, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. I have used Hershey's chocolate powder, but you can use any brand chocolate powder unsweetened. A pinch of sea salt, 100 grams of dark chocolate bar roughly chopped. I am using a combination of Lindt 90% cocoa and Hershey's dark chocolate. You can use any dark chocolate available in the market. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 to 2 inch of cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips, and 3 to 4 pieces of marshmallow for garnish, and this is optional. Take a pot or a pan and add the cinnamon stick and milk and bring the milk to boil. I love the cinnamon aroma and always make it a point to add to my hot beverages. However, if you do not like cinnamon, you can forego adding the cinnamon stick. Reduce the heat to medium and boil for 7 to 8 minutes. Then lower the flame and remove the cinnamon stick and discard. Add vanilla extract, sugar, and salt. Mix it well and boil for a minute. Add the cocoa powder and mix it well so that there are no lumps formed. Simmer for a minute and then add the chopped chocolate bar and chocolate chips. Cook on low flame, stirring it continuously so that the chocolate does not stick to the pan. Simmer it for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring it on regular basis. In restaurants, to get the hot chocolate thick, mostly a bit of corn flour is added to the hot chocolate. However, at home, I would recommend you to simmer the chocolate for a longer time, as well as add more chopped chocolate to get a thicker, silkier, and richer hot chocolate. As I like my hot chocolate to be of medium thickness, so after 2 to 3 minutes, I will turn off the heat. You can garnish it with some marshmallows and serve a cup of hot chocolate with some bun or bread. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please share it with your family and friends. Also follow me on Facebook page and Instagram. The links for both are given below in the description box.